Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Debapratim Ghosh, and together with my team consisting of Dr. Punyataya Rautray, where we belong to the Music, Microwave Systems and Circuits Lab at IIT Bhubaneswar, we are going to show you a small demo of a tunable bandpass filter which works at the L band microwave frequency. So let's start. This is the host computer which has the software to control the working of the filter. This is connected to a programmer which programs a filter driver circuit, which in turn controls this, which is the crux of our today's discussion, that is a bandpass filter whose pass band is tunable. And to test that filter, we have finally with us a vector network analyzer which shows us the filter frequency response. So currently you can see that the filter is exhibiting a center frequency close to 1.4 gigahertz, and this is the center frequency which we will change, thereby making the filter tunable, and this we are going to change it through our software. So in the software, if you see this line, you can enter any number between 0 and 255 where the mouse cursor currently is, and that will in turn correspond to generate a DC voltage by the driver circuit which will control the filter's center frequency. So currently you see it is 0. So 0 will correspond to the center frequency that we saw, which is 1.4 gigahertz. Now let me make the value as 100. So I am going to compile and then I am going to load, and if you can see on the VNA correspondingly, the pass band has now shifted. The center frequency is now 1.34 gigahertz. Let's try one more value. Let's make it 10 instead of 100. Again, we are going to build it, and then we are going to program it. So correspondingly, you see the frequency has increased. It's 1.39 gigahertz, right? So if I now move somewhere, let us say towards the higher value, let's say we'll go to somewhere around 230, which is closer to 255. And again, for the last time, we are going to build and load our program. Now correspondingly, if you see on the VNA, the center frequency has now shifted to 1.2 gigahertz. So through this process, we have successfully been able to tune the center frequency of our bandpass filter from 1.2 gigahertz to 1.4 gigahertz. If you notice, the filter has a very narrow bandwidth and is very suitable for IF applications for a wide range of transceiver circuits. Thank you.